to hold my hand.
Welcome back to my channel. This is MidWest Momma. I am here for a Target haul. It is Wednesday, so I went day before just because my Thursday is busy with chaperoning at Kayla's school, and then we got a Girl Scout thing. So I just decided to do it today, and I went with Kayla. I spent $353 and some change. I just can't get under that 300 mark anymore, but that's okay. I'm going to turn you around now and show you what I got. Okay. Got some cheddar cheese. They were on sale, so I decided to get there. Got 3 bags of the steamed cauliflower. Let me turn my flash on. Got my husband's lunch meat. 2 packages of strawberries. This is what we're having tonight. I'm not sure if I have allergies, if I'm tired, or I have a cold, COVID. I don't know what I have, but I'm just not feeling so great, so I'm just going to do something easy that I don't have to, like, pay attention to very much. I got some legs. They were on sale. Sorry, drumsticks, whatever. They were on sale. $178 for this package and then $189 for that one. Got some canned goods, corn, and they only had 3 of the French style. So picked up Connor's orange juice, pulp free, of course. Caitlin wanted some apple juice. Got some yogurts. I got my Wii, and I don't know if this is a new brand. I don't know how to pronounce it. La Fermière. Is it French? I don't know. But I just noticed it's peach apricot. Well, hopefully I like that. I've never had apricots in my life, so I guess we'll see. And then I got the vanilla and chocolate. This one's so good. All right. Up here, got Kayla some clothes. Let me zoom it out. Starting to get summer. She's growing out of everything. So she picked out this white top. Whoa. She got a matching outfit, shorts, and this like halter top. And then we are going to the White Sox game on Saturday with Girl Scouts. This is definitely big. I don't know. She wanted an extra large. So I don't know what she's going to do with it, but that's what she wanted. So I listened. Let me put this back up. Also, and everything's falling. Okay. Let me zoom back in again. Got some Hawaiian bread. They finally carry this brand at Target, so that was cool. Needed cotton balls. I got her this, like, 4th of July type of shirt. It's just plain red with a little American flag on it. Paper plates. Needed the gallon freezer bags. Q-tips. Got more tights for her. She's going to be in a dance recital, and she just likes this color anyway, so got her a pair of these. She wanted a limp pencil, so I swear to God, every time this kid is with me, I just say yes. And this, I've been wanting to try this now. It is a lip, let's see, it's a Hydro Plump, so I hope it doesn't hurt my lips. I tried another brand, like I think it was Il Maquillage, and I had to take it off my lips immediately. So I'm hoping this doesn't happen. I really like Morphe products, so we're going to try that. Needed more eyebrow wax in dark brown. Feminine stuff. Needed powder. This is loose powder in translucent fair because I'm very pale, as you guys know. Dryer sheets. Dry shampoo. Pimple patches. This is like my favorite scent in well, I say that a lot. This is one of my favorite scents. So I got the Daisy. This is my makeup remover that I use for like my eyes. And this is at my vanity. So I have like the small bottle there. I was running out of the Salt Air shampoo and conditioner. I got in Pacific Pear again. More feminine stuff, you know. My family just loves when I mention that. Got 2 boxes of the Junkless peanut butter. My husband wanted one, but it's on sale, and I will definitely eat the other one. Then I got these protein dark chocolate peanut butter bars for myself. Got a giant size of the Honey Nut Cheerios for Caitlin, and I got some lunches. I got the Lean Cuisine 4 cheese. I did not mean to get this one. I thought it was the chicken Alfredo. I don't know if I'm going to like pesto, but I'm going to try it. But they also had the blackened, and I wanted to try that one. And then I got 2 of the protein peanut butter chip ice creams. I tried the cookies and cream, and I hated it. Like, absolutely hated it. So This one I really liked. So that was, oh, and I got cat sand right there. So that was everything was $3.53. I definitely notice prices are going up every time I go into the store, which I'm sure you guys are all noticing too. So I will be going to Meijer hopefully on Friday, and not sure when we're going to Sam's since we have the Sox game. So you guys will just see it when you see it. So hope you guys are doing well. Stay tuned for those. All right, here is my Sam's Club haul. I spent $196. I guess I was charged. I had it delivered this time. I was charged $12 for delivery and I think $8 for shipping. So that sucked. And then tip. So yeah. I don't think I'm going to do that next time, but I had a lot that just wouldn't fit in my son's car because I still don't have my SUV back. So anyways, got a bunch of bananas. My husband wanted his Simply Fuel, the protein ball cinnamon roll, and the chocolate chip cookie dough. Got another bag of the Pop Secret movie popcorn. Red grapes and green grapes. I was gonna say protein. Provolone cheese. There's a 50-pound bag of cat sand down in the basement. Got a thing of toilet paper. 2 things of Little Bites. Flushable wipes, and my husband's coconut water. I have yet to go to Meijer, and it is Monday already. I probably will go tomorrow. It's just a busy weekend and Mother's Day and stuff like that. So stay tuned for that. Okay, guys, here's my long-awaited Meijer haul. I spent $142 and some change. I have a couple events coming up. I have my book club that I'm hosting at my friend's house on Friday, and then we have my sister-in-law's shindig. So I only got pretzels for that so far. I do have to get like OJ and Prosecco still, but anyways, there's just events and I had to buy for that. So start out with the Stack sour cream. They finally had it in stock after like over 6 weeks of it being out. I got the Fredericks by Meijer vegetable crackers, a small thing of Hubby whipping cream. They did not have any of my creamers, so I still have not gotten any creamers, so that kind of sucks. I did pick up one of the fat-free Land O'Lakes creamer for me. These are the breads for book club. I just got wheat and split top white. I got 2 rice-a-ronis, cheddar broccoli, and then 1 beef. And then they had their pastas on sale, the Meijer. So I got 2 penne rigattes, a rotini, and then I got oven-ready lasagna because I need to make lasagna. For book club, I got this Meijer original chips, and then I got the popcorners for Connor, 2 of them. These were on sale for 2 for $4. I've never had the sour cream Chex Mix or the honey nut, so I wanted to try those. This bag of salad is for book club, and one of those spread mixes are for book club, and then one is for me. Italian bread for us, and then I got the classic table Italian bread, 2 butter snap bags for my son, and then Viva paper towels. Got another thing of eggs. These meats are for the book club. I got, how many pounds is this? 0.64, so not a full pound, but Black Forest ham. And then I got 2 packages of the oven roasted turkey. I hope that's enough. I don't know. I got some mild cheddar cheese cuts for those vegetable crackers. And then I got some cheeses. I got 1 provolone and I got sharp cheddars for the house. And then I got 2 mild cheddars for the book club. They didn't have any honey smoked turkey breast in the deli, so I just got 2 of these packages for Caitlin and I. And then I got a cheap thing, paper plates for book club. Produce, I got zucchini and squash. It was $5.87 for 6 of them, 3 of each. Granny Smith apples for Connor, and then I got some cosmic apples. Like, that's insane. $6 for 3. They're big, but man. This bag is for book club, and then I got a bag of pretzels for Tammy's like bridal shower / just celebration before the wedding. I got a pack of 3 bell peppers, and I had to get more sugar snap peas because I let the other bag go. So that was stupid of me, but that's what I did. Okay, so my hauls are all done now. I will probably have to go to Aldi just to get some like produce or something like that, but I'm just not going to include this in the haul. My total is going to be right here. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. Sorry this video has come out a little bit later than normal, even though my videos are really ever on schedule. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.